The University Villas, a complex of 138 air-conditioned townhouse units, is located on 5 acres across from Stephen Schott Stadium and the main campus. This gated community offers parking, indoor and outdoor gathering spaces such as a volleyball court situated in grassy courtyards, and outdoor sitting areas for guests to socialize. All of the townhouses are fully furnished with full-sized beds. Each townhouse is also equipped with an in-unit washer and dryer. Although the University Villas complex offers a few one-bedroom units, most units are either ground-level 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units with an adjoining small patio, or 4 to 6 person, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story units with an attached balcony. Campisi Hall is located near the Pat Melly Recreation and Fitness Center. This 3-story hall, adjacent to a spacious quad and lawn area, invites guests to gather and socialize inside as well as outside. Campisi Hall offers 95 furnished, carpeted, and air-conditioned double rooms, each with a vanity and a sink. Within this residence, bathrooms are centrally located on each floor with private shower accommodations. Each floor has its own TV lounge, breakout meeting rooms, and vending machines. Casa Italiana, located across from our tennis complex on the east side of campus, has a variety of living options, featuring 18 suites, 25 apartments, and 58 single rooms. The suites are double rooms within an 8-person unit. 4-person apartments offer single occupancy bedrooms. Each unit is carpeted and air-conditioned. The apartments and suites are located in a separate area from the 58 single rooms. These single rooms offer hall bathrooms with private shower accommodations. Casa Italiana features a central commons, 2 classrooms, a seminar room, a conference room, and vending machines. Within the hall, laundry facilities are located on each floor. Outdoor spaces include a patio, courtyard garden, and bocce ball area. Parking is located adjacent to Casa Italiana. Dunne Hall is on the west side of campus, adjacent to Lafayette and Market Streets. It is a 5-story hall with 140 double rooms, featuring vanities and sinks within each room. Dunne Hall also offers 3 lounges with seating areas and television sets, as well as bathrooms located on each floor with private shower accommodations. Dunne Hall also offers vending machines and breakout meeting areas. The basement within Dunne Hall features areas to screen movies and hold various events. Graham Hall, located across from the Learning Commons, is a 4-story residence with 90 mini-suites comprised of 2 rooms connected by a bathroom. Mini-suites may be assigned to 4 guests in a double room or 2 guests each with a private room. The rooms are both carpeted and air-conditioned. Each neighborhood of 16 rooms offers laundry facilities, vending machines, and a lounge with a TV. The residence is shaped as an open square with each wing facing a large courtyard. This residence hall also features 2 classrooms, study areas, meeting rooms, and a 2,000 square foot commons with the serving kitchen.
McLaughlin-Walsh Hall, home to the Unity Residential Learning Community, recently underwent a complete renovation that saw the conjoining of 2 previously separate buildings. During the renovation, all student rooms were upgraded with new carpet, fixtures, and finishes, which included new sink vanities in each room. McLaughlin-Walsh is comprised of large double rooms, with both male and female bathrooms on each floor, laundry facilities on the 2nd and 3rd floor, as well as in the Walsh basement. Ample lounge and meeting spaces throughout the new connecting structure, as well as new community kitchens on each floor. The building also now showcases a new elevator that serves both wings of the building, a new centrally located service desk, and a large media room for student events. All floors within McLaughlin-Walsh are co-ed, and rooms are single-sex. The Unity RLC is centered on understanding and appreciating diversity through social and civic engagement.
Nobili Hall is a 4-story residence located adjacent to the Mission Church that offers sweeping views of the Mission Gardens. Within Nobili Hall, laundry facilities, vending machines, and lounges are located on each floor. Rooms are available in Nobili Hall. The guests staying in Nobili have the option of residing in either a furnished double or a single room. Each room is carpeted, has a private bathroom, and is air conditioned. Sanfilippo Hall, located on the east side of campus between the Casa Italiana Hall and Campisi Hall, is a 3-story residence comprised of 95 furnished double rooms with tile flooring and a vanity with a sink. Within Sanfilippo Hall, bathrooms with private shower accommodations are centrally located on each wing of the residence. Laundry facilities, vending machines, lounges, and breakout meeting rooms are located on each floor. Located outside of Sanfilippo Hall is a large courtyard with areas to socialize with other guests. Parking is immediately adjacent to the hall. Sobrato Hall is located on the east side of campus. This hall offers 24 suites and 34 apartments, all air-conditioned and carpeted. Within Sobrato Hall, guests can reside in single rooms within 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment units, or a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite. Also located within Sobrato Hall are vending machines, 2 classrooms, a large commons, and other smaller meeting areas. A large central patio is a favorite location for guests. Within Sobrato Hall, laundry facilities are located on the 1st floor. Additionally, a parking lot is located adjacent to Sobrato, and a parking garage structure is located in the lower level of the hall.
Swig Hall is home to the Cyphi Residential Learning Community and is located near the Benson Memorial Center. Swig Hall is the tallest building on campus, and first-year students as well as sophomore students are housed throughout the first 10 floors of the building within double rooms. Within Swig Hall, rooms include vanities and updated amenities and furnishings. The 11th floor of Swig Hall is comprised of the Sky Lounge, which offers ample community and study spaces as well as sweeping views of the campus and surrounding areas. In Swig Hall, the laundry facilities are located in the basement of the building. The basement in Swig Hall also includes a music practice room, a dance practice room, a conference room, a vending machine and gaming area, and a movie viewing room. The Cyphi RLC is focused on the environment, sustainability, and the arts, which is characterized by caring, creating, and conserving.
Bellarmine Hall is located across the street from the south side of campus. Bellarmine Hall features 60 single, furnished, and air-conditioned studio units in a 3-story residence with an elevator and a central ground floor secured entrance. Within Bellarmine Hall, each room features a private bathroom. The laundry and vending machines are located on the first floor of the hall. Additionally, a parking garage is located within the lower level of the hall.
The Park Avenue apartments are located 1 block from campus. The complex is comprised of 2-story, 2-bedroom, 1-bath townhouses. Within Park Avenue apartments, 2 students are assigned to each townhouse. Each townhouse is fully furnished and includes a private patio and access to laundry facilities and an outdoor grilling area. The utilities, cable television, and wireless internet are included in the housing rate. Additionally, convenient parking is located adjacent to the complex.
St. Clare Hall is a gated 2-story community located just 1 block north of campus. St. Clare is comprised of 50 single furnished studios, which each include a full-sized bed and a private bath. Laundry facilities and vending machines are located on the first floor of the hall. St. Clare Hall features a centralized lounge and a large meeting room. Additionally, convenient parking is located within the complex.
The University Square Studios are conveniently located across the street from the north side of campus. This graduate student complex offers 18 single unfurnished studios in a 2-story building with exterior corridors. The studios offer approximately 330 square feet of living space with a separate kitchen area and private bathroom. Coin-operated laundry facilities and on-site parking are available for student convenience. All utilities, cable television, and access to the university's high-speed network wireless services are included in the room rate.